Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. This is Pure Mathematics B2, November 2019, Edexcel WMA 1201. Let us start the first question. A curve C has an equation y equal to 2x squared multiplied by x minus 5. 5 using calculus, the x coordinate of the stationary point of the curve C. So to find the stationary point, we need dy by dx. So this is part A. Y equal to 2x squared x minus 5. So y equal to 2x power 3 minus 10x power 2. So dy by dx equal to 0 to find the turning point. So dy or stationary point. So dy by dx equal to 2 multiplied by 3x power 3 minus 1 minus 10 multiplied by 2x 2 minus 1. So dy by dx equal to 6x power 2 minus 20x. So this is dy by dx. Now dy by dx equal to 0. So 6x squared minus 20x equal to 0. Take x as a common factor. 6x minus 20 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and 6x minus 20 equal to 0, so x equal to 20 divided by 6, which is divided by 2 equal to 3, divided by 2 equal to 10. So 10 divided by 3. So we will write the answer here, x equal to 0 and x equal to 10 divided by 3. Okay, let us go ahead to another part. Hence, find the value of x for which y is increased. Y will be increased. This is part B. To solve this part, so x less than or equal to, x less than or equal to 0, and x bigger than or equal to 10 over 3. To find this solution, you need to go to your calculator and start to put the value of x minus 2, minus 1, and then 0. And here you will put the value of x 10 over 3 and more than 10 over 3. You will find that this is the solution. The y here, the curve will increase, and the y here, the curve will increase. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. The adult population of a town at the start of 2019 is 225,000. Our model predicted that the adult population will increase by 2% each year, so that the number of adults in the population at the start of each year following 2019 will form a geometric sequence. Find according to the model the adult population, so geometric sequence of the town at the start of 2032. Now geometric sequence, so this is A, and he need the number, the adult population in the town at 2032. So we know that A, R, N. So A is the first part, or the first number at the first year, which is 25,000. And then R here, he said that it will increase by 2%. So R equal to 1 plus 2 divided by 100. So it's 102. Now he need the number of population at 2032. So n equal to 2032 minus 2019. So n is equal to 2032 minus 2019, so 13. So n is equal to 13. So population is equal to the ARN, so 25,000 multiplied by R102 1.02 power 13. So let us find this value. So 25,000 multiplied by 1.02 power 13. 32,340. So it's equal to 32,340. It's also modeled that every member of the adult population given £5 to local charity at the start of each year. Find, according to this model, the total amount of the money that would be given to the local charity by the adult population of the town from 2019 to 2032 inclusive, given your answer to the nearest £1,000. So I need the sum of population first, and then this sum of population of multiplier by £5. Let us go through the question here. He said that from 2019 to 2013 inclusive. So here the n now increased by 1 year. Why? Because I need at the end of, not at the start of 2032, I need at the end of 2032. So to start to solve this part, we know that the summation is equal to a r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. The same situation, but a equal to 25,000, r equal to 1.02, but here n is equal to 14. Why? Because I need at the end of the year. So total population was equal to 25,000 multiplied by 1.02 power 14 minus 1 divided by 1.02 minus 1. Let us calculate this part. So we have now 25,000 multiplied by, open the bracket, 1.02 power 14 minus 1 divided by 0.02. 348. 348. Now total money is equal to 5 multiplied by 399,348 equal to, let us multiply by 5 by 5, 6742. 6742. In near to what? In near to the nearest 1000. So nearest 1000, so this 6 will be 7. So total money will equal to 199,711. Of course, pounds. Find the first 4 terms in ascending power of x in the binomial expression y plus x divided by 4 power 12. Let us start to solve. This is part A. So we have 1 plus x divided by 4 power 12 is equal to 1 plus n, which is 12, multiplied by x divided by 4 power 1 plus 12n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, x divided by 4 power 2 plus 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, x divided by 4 power 3. You need 4 term, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us find the value of each part, so it's equal to 1 plus 12 divided by 4 equal to 3x plus, let us find this part, 12 multiplied by 11 divided by 2 divided by 4 square 16, so 33 divided by 8, 33 divided by 8x squared plus 12 by 11 by 10 divided by 6 divided by 4 power 3, 55 divided by 16, 55 divided by 16, x power 3. And this is the answer of this part of the question. Let us go ahead. Find the term independent of x. So we need the term of x power 0, which is x equal to 1. So the term without x. In the expression of x squared plus 8 divided by x power 5, 1 plus x power 4 power 12. So this is part B. Let us write the equation. So x squared divided by x power 5, it's 1 divided by x power 3 plus 8 divided by x power 5 multiplied by 1 plus x divided by 4 power 12. Now here, this part multiplied by 1 give us x minus 3, this one give us x minus 2, this one give us x minus 1, this one give us x minus 0. So the first term is 55 divided by 16. So here is equal to 55 divided by 16 plus. Now this part I need to multiply by x power 5. So if I multiply by x power 5, so the second term, the term after, which has x power 5, will give us now x power 0, which is 1. So let us now find this term, 8. Now, remember, here we have 3, here we have 1, 2, 3 term. So let us now start 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8. This is 5 term. Now start here from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This part multiplied by 1 divided by 4 power 5. Let us start to find the final answer. So 55 divided by 16 plus 8 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 divided by, open the bracket, 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1 by 4 or 5, and then close the bracket. Now the answer is 77 divided by 8. 77 divided by 8, and this is the final answer of this question. f of x equal to x minus 3 multiplied by 3x squared plus x plus a minus 35, where a is a constant. State the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus 3. So if we like to divide the f of x by x minus 3, so it should mean x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So f of 3 will equal to 3 minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 squared plus 3 plus a minus 35. So this part is 0. So remainder for x minus 3, remainder is equal to minus 35. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go. Now, given 3x minus 2 is a factor of f of x, so when we divide f of x over 3x minus 2, it will equal to 0. The remainder is equal to 0. Now show that a is equal to minus 17. So again, this is part B. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, x is equal to divided by 3. So f of 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2 divided by 3 minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 squared plus 2 divided by 3 plus a minus 35. All of them is equal to 0 because this is factor of a. So let us now try to finalize this part. 2 divided by 3 minus 3. 2 divided by 3 minus 3 minus 7 over 3. So minus 7 divided by 3. This one goes this one. So the remaining is 4 over 3. 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus a minus 35 is equal to 0. So let us start to add and multiply. So we have 4 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So it's a minus 7 over 3, 2 plus a minus 35 equal to 0. Let us multiply by 3 over 7. So it's minus 2 minus a minus 7, 5, 15 is equal to 0. So from here, minus a minus 17 is equal to 0. So minus a is equal to 17. So from here, a is equal to minus 17. And this is, of course, the answer that you need. Okay, let us go ahead. Now, using algebra and showing each step of your working, fully factorize f of x. Okay, so you need the factorizing of f of x. So f of x again is equal to x minus 3 multiplied by 3x squared plus x, 3x squared plus x minus 17 minus 35. We know that this is part C. So 3x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. So let us find again f of x. 3x power 3 plus x squared minus 17x minus 9x squared minus 3x plus 17 minus 35. Here 17 multiplied by 3. Okay, so let us now start 3x power 3. Now this is x squared minus 9x squared, so minus 8x squared. Minus 17x, and we have here minus 3x, so it's minus 20x. And now 17 multiplied by 3 minus 35, 17 multiplied by 3 minus 35, so plus 60. Let us start to divide 3x power 3 minus 8x squared minus 20x plus 16 divided by, we know that 3x minus 2 is a factor, 3x minus 2. This part x power 3, so it will be x power 2, sorry. So it will be 3x power 3 minus 2x squared. So minus plus minus 6x squared. The minus 20x will go down, so minus 20x. Now minus 2x here minus 6x squared plus 4x. So it will be plus minus. So minus 24x, and the 16 will go down, plus 16. So now we have minus 8. So minus 24x plus here minus 8 minus 2 plus 16. So plus negative, this is 0 and this is 0. So now the factor will be f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2x minus 2x minus 8. 2x minus 8. Now use your calculator. So 3x minus 2 multiplied by, where is your calculator? Go 5 and then 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1 enter, minus 2 enter, minus 8 enter. So x4, x minus 2. So x minus 4 and x plus 2. And this will be f of x. If I like to check this answer to be sure, more sure, so I will go through this equation again. Now this is your calculator again, equation 5. Instead of 3, I will go to 4. Now 3 enter, minus 8 enter, minus 20 enter, and then 16 enter. And then 2 over 3, which is this one, and then minus 2, which is x plus 2. Given a is bigger than 0 and less than 1, sketch a curve with equation y equal to a power x shown in the coordinates of the point which curve cross the y-axis. To solve this part, this is your curve, this is part A, and you need to give him this point very clear that it's 0 and 1. Okay? Let us go ahead to another part. Now, this is the table. The table shows corresponding value of x and y for y equal to x squared plus 1 over 2 power x. The value of y given to the 4 significant figures as a property. Using trapezium rules, with all the value of y in the given table, obtain the estimate for the integration of this one from 2 to 4. From 2 to 4. Now, h here if we go through the table, here 2 and 2.5, so 0.5, and from here 0.5, and from here 0.5, and so on. So let us use the trapezium rules. So the integration, this is part B, the integration from 2 to 4 x squared plus half power x dx is equal to, now half h, half multiplied by half, half multiplied by half, multiplied by the first term, which is 4.25, plus the last term 16.06. So 4.25 plus 16.06 plus 2 multiplied by the remaining term 6.427, 9.125, and 12.34. So 6.47, 6.427 plus 9.125, 9.125 plus 12.34, 12.34. Let us find the value. So now 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by, open the bracket, 4.25 plus 16.06 plus 2, open another bracket, 6.427 plus 9.125 plus 12.34, close the first bracket, second bracket, and then the first bracket, and then equal to 19.02. So it's equal to 19.02. Remember here, right here, that h equal to 0.5. So you will give the marks for h, or you can write it here, h equal to 0.5. Okay? Let us go ahead to another part. Using your answer in part B, x minus 3 plus 1 over 2 power x dx. So let us start to solve this part. You need the integration. This is part C. You need the value of this integration. So let us start to solve. This part is equal to, from 2 to 4, x squared minus 3x plus 1 over 2 power x dx. Now we have what? We have x squared plus half power x. So I can write now 2 to 4 minus 3x dx plus from 2 to 4 x squared plus half power x, all of them is dx. From 2 to 4 minus 3x dx plus 19.02. Let us find this value. It's equal to minus 3 over 2 x squared from 2 to 4 plus 19.02. So it's equal to minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 4 squared minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 squared plus 19.02. Let us find the total value. So let us bring our calculator. 19.02 plus, now it will be minus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 squared minus plus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. So 51 divided by 50, which is 1.02. 51 divided by 50, which is 1.02. And this is the answer of this question. Now figure 1 shows sketch of a circle C with a center 4 and minus 1. So here I have 4 and minus 1. The line with equation y equal to half x is tangent to C at B. So this line, equation y equal to half x. Find the equation of line Pn in the form of y in x plus c, where m and c are constant. Pn is perpendicular to the tangent, so this angle is 90. So this is the equation of the line L. So this is part A. So y equal to half x. So m of a line, the gradient of the line is equal to half. The gradient of Pn, which is the gradient of the perpendicular, is equal to minus 1 divided by half. So it's equal to minus 2. Now the equation is equal to y equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to minus 2x plus c. Point N, which is 4 and minus 1, is lie at the line Pn. So at point N, which is 4 and minus 1. Now minus 1 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 4 plus c. So from here c is equal to, this is 8, come this one, so it's 7 plus. So the equation of Pn y equal to minus 2x plus 7. And this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead to another part. Now part B, we need the equation of the circle C. To find the equation, we need the radius r. To find the radius, we need point B. And point B is the intersection of the line Pn and y and the line L. So the first step now to find the intersection, which is point B. So let us start to solve this part. The line y for the line L is equal to half x, and y for NB is equal to minus 2x plus 7. Let us make the two equations equal. So half x is equal to minus 2x plus 7. So let me bring this one here. So 2.5x is equal to 7. So from here x is equal to 2.5 divided by 7 is equal to 14 divided by 5. So 14 divided by 5, this is x. Now y, this is 4.b. So yb is equal to half multiplied by 14 divided by 5. So it's 7 divided by 5. So now I have point B, 14 divided by 5 and 7 divided by 5. And 4 and minus 1. So let us find the length L and B is equal to square root of 4 minus 14 divided by 5 squared plus minus 1 minus 7 divided by 5 square. So this is our radius. Let us find this radius. Square root of 4 minus 14 divided by 5 square plus minus 1 minus 7 divided by 5 square. So it's equal to 6 square root of 5 divided by 5, 6 square root of 5 divided by 5, and this is our radius, so the radius of the circle is equal to 6 square root of 5 divided by 5. And center, which is 4 and minus 1. So the equation of the circle x minus 4 squared, this is our x, plus y minus minus 1, so plus 1 squared is equal to the radius squared. So let us make the answer, multiply by answer. So it's equal to 36 divided by 5. 36 divided by 5. And this is the equation of the circle. Okay, let us go ahead to another. Now, given log AB equal to k, find in simplest form in terms of k log a square root of b, a divided by b. So let us start. This is number 1. Log a square root of a divided by b. So it's equal to log a square root of a minus log a b. So it's equal to log a half minus log a b equal to k. So it's equal to half log a minus k. Log a is equal to 1, so it's equal to half minus k. And this is the first part. Second part, log a squared b divided by log a b power 3. So this is number 2. Log a squared b divided by log a b power 3. Log a b power 3. So it's equal to log a squared plus log a b divided by 3 log a b. So it's equal to 2 log a plus k divided by 3k. This one again by 1, so it's equal to 2 plus k divided by 3k. And this is the answer of this part. Now for the part 3, summation from n equal to 1 to 50, k plus log a b power n. So let us write this part. This is part 3. So summation from n equal to 1 to 50, k plus log a p power n, k plus log a p power n. Let us start to make this summation. This is k plus k plus k plus k from 1 to 50, so it's 50k. Plus log a p power 1 plus log a p power 2 plus log a p power 3 to the end. Okay, until we reach log a p power 50. Okay, so it's equal to 50k plus this part is 1 log ab plus 2 log ab plus until we reach 50 log ab. So it's equal to 50k plus k plus 2 plus 3k plus 3k plus 4k plus to the 50k. So I can write now it's 50k plus summation from n equal to 1 to 50 n k. So let us find this summation. So it's 50k plus. Let us find this part. To find this part, you have your calculator. So shift here. Now you have the summation of vector x from 50 and x equal to 1. So enter. So 1275k. So now the total answer here is equal to plus 50, 1325. And this is the answer K. This is the answer of this part. Okay, let us go ahead to another. Figure 2 shows a sketch of part of the curve with equation y equal to 8 square root of x minus 5 divided by 2 x squared x bigger than 0. The region R shown shaded in figure 2 is bounded by the curve, the line with equation x equal to 2, the x-axis, and the line with equation x equal to 4. Find the exact area of R. To find R, I need to make integration for the curve from 2 to 4. Let us start now to find R. So this is part I. Area of R is equal to integration from 2 to 4, 8 square root of x minus 5 divided by 2x squared dx. Let us start to find the integration. So it's equal to from 2 to 4, 8 divided by 2, x half minus 2, minus 5 divided by 2, x minus 2, dx. So it's equal to from 2 to 4, 4x minus 3 over 2, minus 5 divided by 2, x minus 2, dx. Let us start this integration. So it's equal to 4x minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by minus half minus 5 divided by 2 x minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1. All of them from 2 to 4. So it's equal to minus 8x minus half minus 5 over 2, so it will be plus, and here x minus 1 from 2 to 4, minus 8 divided by square root of x plus 5 over 2 divided by x from 2 to 4. Let us now start to find the answer. So it's equal to minus 8 divided square root of 4 plus 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 minus 8 divided by square root of 2 plus 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. It's equal to this one 2, so minus 4 plus 5 divided by 8 minus 5 divided by 4 plus 8 divided by square root of 2. So let us find this part. So minus 4 plus 5 divided by 8 minus 5 divided by 4 minus 37 divided by 8. So it's equal to minus 37 divided by 8 plus 8 divided by square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 square root of 2. So it will be 2, this together 2 divided by 2, so 4. So it's equal to 4 square root of 2 minus 37 divided by 8, and this is the answer of this part of the question. Let us go ahead to another part. Now, integration. Find the value of the constant k such that integration from minus 3 to 6 half x squared plus k dx equal to 55. So let us start to solve this part. This is part 2 equal to 55. Find value of k. So let us make this integration. So it will be half x2 plus 1 divided by 3. 2 plus 1 equal to 3 plus kx from minus 3 to 6 equal to 55. So it's equal to 1 over 6x power 3 plus kx from minus 3 to 6 equal to 55. So it's equal to 1 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 power 3 plus 6 multiplied by k minus 1 over 6 minus 3 power 3 minus 3k equal to 55. So this one was one of them. So 36 plus 6k minus, let us find this value, minus 3 power 3 divided by 6 divided by 6 minus 9 over 2, so minus 9 divided by 2 minus minus, so plus, and plus 3k is equal to 55. So 9k is equal to 55 minus 36 minus 9 over 2. So k is equal to, let us find the k, 55 minus 36 minus 4.5 divided by 9. So 29 over 18. 29 over 18, this is the value of k. Let us go ahead to another question. Solve for theta bigger than or equal to 0 and less than 180 the equation 3 sine 2 theta minus 10 is equal to 1, giving your answer to 1 decimal place. So 3 sine x is equal to 1, where x is equal to 2 theta minus 10. So from here, sine x is equal to 1 over 3. So x is equal to sine inverse 1 over 3. So x is equal to, let us find the x. Now sine inverse 1 divided by 3, close the bracket, 19.47, 19.47. And of course x is equal to 180 minus 19.47, so it's equal to value of x. So 180 minus answer 160.53, 160.53. So now x is equal to 2 theta minus 10. So theta is equal to x plus 10 divided by 2. So theta 1 is equal to, and theta 2 is equal to, let us start to find theta 1 and theta 2. The answer plus 10 equal to divided by 2. So the second theta 85.27, 264, 85 point again we need one decimal place, so 85.3 degree. Theta 1, which is equal to 19.47 plus 10 divided by 2, so it's equal to 14.7 degree, and this is the answer of this part. Let us go ahead. Now the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence are sine alpha 1 divided by tan alpha and 2 sine alpha. Show that 2 cosine alpha is equal to 3 sine squared alpha. We know that in the arithmetic series, this one minus this one is equal to this one minus this one. So 1 divided by tan alpha minus sine alpha equal to 2 sine alpha minus 1 divided by tan alpha. Let us bring all of them here. So I have 1 divided by tan alpha plus 1 divided by tan alpha minus sine alpha minus 2 sine alpha is equal to 0. So we have 2 divided by tan alpha minus 3 sine alpha is equal to 0. So we know that tan is equal to sine alpha divided by cosine alpha minus 3 sine alpha is equal to 0. So 2 cosine alpha divided by sine alpha is minus 3 sine alpha is equal to 0. Let us multiply by sine. So 2 cosine alpha minus 3 sine squared alpha equal to 0. So from this equation, 2 cosine alpha is equal to 3 sine squared alpha, and this is the equation he asked about. 2 cosine alpha. Here, 2 cosine alpha is equal to 3 sine squared alpha. Now for alpha bigger than pi and less than 2 pi, find the showing all working the value of alpha to 3 decimal place. So 2 cosine alpha is equal to 3 sine squared alpha. We know that sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha is equal to 1. So sine squared alpha is equal to 1 minus cosine squared alpha. So 2 cosine alpha is equal to 3, 1 minus cosine squared alpha. So 2 cosine alpha is equal to 3 minus 3 cosine squared alpha. Let us bring all of them this side. So 3 cosine squared alpha plus 2 cosine alpha minus 3 equal to 0. Let us add cosine alpha is equal to x. So 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, let us find this value. Equation. So 3 enter, 2 enter, minus 3 enter. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus square root of 10 divided by 3 and minus. So plus or minus square root of 10 divided by 3. So now this is x, so cosine alpha is equal to value minus 1 plus or minus square root of 10 divided by 3. Find this value. So you have -1 plus square root of 10 equal divided by 3 shift cosine -1 answer. So 0.756. So alpha is 0.756 radian. Let us go to the question. The question said that what? Alpha is bigger than pi and less than 2 pi. So the answer here is wrong. This is not our alpha. Alpha is bigger than pi, 3.14, and less than 2 pi. So alpha is equal to 2 pi minus 0.756. So alpha is equal to, let us find this value, 2 shift pi minus answer equal to 5.25. Alpha is 5.517 radian. And this is the answer of this part. Remember all the time the condition given. Okay, let us go ahead to another question. The curve C has equation y equal to ax power 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x plus b, where a and b are constant, given that the point 2 and 5 lie on the C. The gradient of the curve, which is dy by dx at 2 and 5 is equal to 7. Find the value of a and the value of b. Let us start to solve. This is part a. So the equation y is equal to ax power 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x plus b. The first condition that point 2 and 5 lie on the curve, so 2 and 5, so x equal to 2, y equal to 5, so 5 is equal to a 2 power 3 minus 3 2 power 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus b. So the first equation is 8a minus 12 plus 6 plus b. So 8a plus b equal to, this is minus 6 to come this side positive, so 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So this is the first equation. Second equation, dy by dx is equal to 7. dy by dx at 2 and 5 is equal to 7, as given here in the question. So let us find dy by dx. So dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, let us write the equation again, y equal to x power 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x plus b. So dy by dx, 3ax squared minus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 3 plus 0. This is equal to 7. So dy by dx at x equal to 2 is equal to 3a 2 power 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 equal to 7. So 3 multiplied by 4a minus 3 multiplied by 4, 12 plus 3 equal to 7. So a equal to, this is 9 minus 9 plus 7 equal to 16. 16 divided by 3 multiplied by 4. So for this one 4. So 4 divided by 3. This is the value of a. So a is equal to 4 divided by 3. Now from the first equation, which is 8a plus b equal to 11. 8a plus b equal to 11. So 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 plus b equal to 11. So b is equal to 11 minus 32 divided by 3. So b equal to 33 minus 32 divided by 3. So 1 over 3. So b is equal to 1 over 3. And this is the value of b. Let us go ahead to another question. The last part of this exam proves that C has no turning point. No turning point, so when I make dy by dx equal to 0, there is no real root, there is no value of x. So let us start to add. This is part B. dy by dx equal to 3ax squared, 3ax squared, 3ax squared minus 6x plus 3, minus 6x plus 3. A is equal to 4 over 3, so this value is equal to 0. So 3 multiplied by 4 over 3 x squared minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us find the exact solution. 4x squared minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now b squared minus 4ac. This value where b is equal to minus 6, 4 is a is equal to 4, c is equal to 3. So minus 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. So this value is equal to, let us find this value. So minus 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 0, 3 minus 84, which is less than 0. So no real root, so no value of x, so no turning point. Okay, and this is the answer of this part, and this is the end of this exam. Good luck, bye.